How was your experience about this?
Actually, experience is marvelous, speechless. I
Okay.
can't explain in words
Mm-hmm.
because I felt hesitation in front of anyone in speaking English.
Okay.
But when I joined your class from the first day, I felt better. And just like I like your chunking, your visualization method, and your thought chain. It all actually works in spoken English. So that is good.
Right.
And shadowing is also a good method for learning speaking. Speaking English. And overall method is good and
Okay.
very simple and soothing also.
Thank you. That's really good to know. Also, so what was your biggest struggle before joining, if you had any struggle? Like, I'm sure you
Hesitation
must
and
have tried,
nervousness.
like, what I was asking is
Actually,
basically you must have tried other programs, but you chose this one. Did you try any other programs before this one?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have joined before joining your course. I have joined a offline course,
Hmm.
and when I joined, suddenly my English was not good yet, but I can speak now. I'm not very
Okay.
fluent, but I can speak, and
Hmm.
I can understand my mistakes also. But that time when I joined that institution, firstly I thought in Hindi, then I converted in English,
Right.
then I spoke. So
Yeah.
so it will sorry, it had taken much more time. So I felt that it was not good in my
Mm.
speaking English, and I tried many things, just like podcast. I also tried, but that many things were good, but that was not enough.
Mm.
Actually, I need a right way to speak English. So when I joined your course, my search, I felt that my search is completed now. You
Okay.
are the correct pathfinder for me.
That's a big thing for me. Thank you. So how was, so you said in the other program you joined before you had some problem because of translation. You were still translating. So how was my program able to help you avoid that or overcome that struggle of translation?
Actually, I did not know about chunking. Chunking means small sentences,
Mm.
and you told me you should make simple and short sentences firstly, and
Yeah.
then you will join. So I did not know about that method. And actually, visualization and thought chain are very good methods
Mm.
for speaking any language. So I did not know about
Right.
that type of things.
Methods
That's why.
or things.
Methods.
Yeah.
Yes, methods.
Okay. I mean, actually wanted to ask you like which specific technique has helped you the most. You have already answered that kind of, but if you had to choose one technique, okay, this one really helped me a lot. So which one would that be?
Visualization.
Visualization. Okay,
Yes.
that's great. And why do you think so?
Actually, without any awareness, I did chunking and thought chain also, but in not in awareness. But after joining your course,
Hmm.
I knew that I also used chunking and thought chaining, but I did not use visualization without your instructions. Then you instruct me, then I use visualization, and then I speak in English my visualization. So that was good. That is good actually.
You remember all the exercises by their names properly.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's a kind of a big success for me. That's a big win for me. That if you remember everything in detail, right? Okay, and also can you share with me a moment when you actually realized, yeah, that I'm improving. That when you thought to yourself, yes, that I'm improving. When did that happen for you?
Actually, from
Okay.
day first, I visualized that you are the correct person for me for speaking English.
Okay.
Actually, in my first day, you instruct me about visualization.
Mhm.
You told me you should make a picture which give you happiness. So I asked, how can I do that? You told me just close your eyes and think in your mind, then sketch on the paper.
Yeah.
So I did that. Then I realized you are a good person for me
Okay.
for
Wow.
speaking English.
Okay. Okay. That's great. So visualization helped you the most, right? And from
Yes,
day one, you said you started improving a lot. Wow, that's great.
yes.
And how's your confidence level now before, like as compared to before you joined the program?
At this time, my confidence level is high, but I'm not too confident because I know still I need more practice
Yeah.
for speaking, but I am confident. I can face any interview without any hesitation now, so I am confident. now.
That's great. That is what a person needs, right? That you're able to have that confidence to at least walk into the interviews. It should not A person should not be nervous about just their language and not able to have that opportunity. A lot of people are struggling with that. So it's great you don't have that hesitation anymore. And again, fluency is something, it's a lifelong thing. Even to this day, I feel like okay, I need to improve my fluency. I always feel like that. I'm not that good with my English. Some people say, oh, you speak very well, but I've never felt that, right? I've never felt, oh, I'm great, because every time like I watch an American or Britishers, like okay, they are still levels ahead of me, right? So it's always an improvement game still there. Levels are still there that we need to cross. Now, would you recommend this program to someone? If yes, then why?
Of course, yes,
Okay.
because it gives me many benefits,
Mm-hmm.
which I use nowadays. I have submitted many CVs in different schools, so I also recommend your course. If I suggested any person to your course, so just I will say only one line: you are a great torch bearer, and you are a great guy, and you are a great pathfinder for any
Thank you.
person in the journey of a speaking course.
Thank you. I'm really humbled, to hear those big words. Thank you for that, honestly. Now, anything you would like to say to someone who is still a bit hesitant? Let's say if a new person wants to join my program but is still a bit hesitant. Do you have any final words to say to them?
Yes, without taking any chance, how any person know
Yeah.
what is the matter inside your course. So we should try. Any person, we should try. First taste and then judge for the
Yes.
any fruit.
That's very true. Thank you. Thank you, Jyoti.